Hello. Welcome to this Advanced Steel 2021 tutorial. Today I will show you how to add a new bolt diameter to the Advanced Steel 2021. In previous lesson, we have completed the detail 04 with the bolt M12. But the designed bolt of this connection is M14. Now back to 3D model, right-click on the bolts, and select Advanced Joint Properties from Context menu. On Advanced Steel Gusset Plate for 2 diagonals dialog box, select Standard tab, then select Bolt Categories. We couldn't find Diameter M14 option on the drop-down list in 1, Diameter field. Now, let's open Management Tools dialog box and go to the Preferred Sizes category. From the left side of the Advanced Steel Management Tools dialog box, select the object type bolt and expand the menu. This is where you can set a preferred size for bolt. Click on Diameter option under the Bolt category. Select Diameter 14 and click Add. The 14.00 mm will be displayed in the preferred classes. Now click on Material option, and select 8.8 on the list under Available classes and then click Add. Move to Set option. We will select N2W and 2Na. Finally, select Standard option. As you can see, both N14399-3 and N14399-4 standard are in preferred classes, so that we move to next step. We have to apply this setting in order to get it written to the database. Now close the Preferred Sizes and open Bolts category. Expand Bolt object and select N14399-3 type. On the right panel section, there are 4 tabs. They are Parameter, Set, Bolts and Holes. On the first tab, we select N14399-3 as the name, 8.8 as grade. And then select 14.00 option in Diameter field. And select 14.399-3 type in the source field. In order to mark it easy to modify, we are going to build for M14 base on the data for diameter 12. Go to Diameter field and select 12.00 option. Then select the Set tab. We need to take some screenshot first. Open Word or WordPad. Start Snipping tool. Take a snapshot for Set tab first. Then paste to WordPad file. Do the same with the Bolts tab. And the whole tab. Now back to Advanced Steel Management Tools. Select the Rule 1, then open N14399-3 Standard, then go to the table A3 grip lengths with 2 washers on page 26. This is grid length parameter for bolt M14. And this is grid lengths parameter of M14. We are going to copy grid parameters for the length L equals 50 to input into Parameters tab. Now switch to Set tab. Then select N2W in the name of bolt assembly field. And select ++ symbol to add a new washer or nut. We are going to add a new washer for M14. In the Type field, select 14399-6 option. Then in the Grade field we select 14. But diameter 14 is not available. So that we are going to create one more washer for bolt M14. Now close the Bolts tab, then open the Bolts catalog again. Then expand the washer category. And select 14399-6. We are going to use the parameter of M12 to build the washer for M14. Now take a screenshot at these parameters of M12 washer. Then paste it into record file. On the top right panel of bolt category, select 14.00 in diameter field and select 14399-6 standard in the source field. Type washer N14399-6-14 into part name field. In lower right panel, input 28 is outside diameter of washer, and 3 is thickness, type 0 into number of corners. Finally hit apply. Now expand the nut category, and select 14399-3 option. We are going to create a new M14 nut base on the data of M12 nut. So take a screenshot on the window of M12 nut. And paste it into record file. Now back to bolt category on Advanced Steel Management Tools, select 14.00 option in diameter field. And select 10 option in grade field. And then select 14399-3 in the source field. Input the part name base on the part name of nut M12, type hexagon nut N14399-3 M1410HR into the part name field. Switch to 14399-3 PDF file, and go to Table 4 Dimensions of nuts. Type 27.12 into a field. And type 12.1 as the nut thickness, and then type 6 as number of corners. Then hit apply to get the data written. Now expand bolt category, then select N14399-3 option. Take a screenshot of parameter tab of bolt M12. Now back to parameter tab of bolt category, select 14.00 option in diameter field, then select 14399-3 in source field. Switch to N14399-3 PDF file and navigate to table A3 grip lengths with 2 washer. We are going to input 11 as minimum and 134 as maximum grip length. And type 50 is the bolt length. Delta at the bolt length is the length increment for the bolt. We input 10 into this field. Switch to Set tab. Select N2W option in the name of bolt assembly field, then hit the plus symbol to add a washer. On Set Selection dialog box, select Washer in the Set field, and select 14399-4 option for type, and then select 300HV as grade. Finally, in diameter field we select 14.00 option, then hit Apply button. Now click on plus symbol on lower right panel to add one more washer. Expand the diameter list, we don't see the 14.00 option. If the grade is 8. If the grade is 10, the diameter 14 is already here. Now we are going to create a nut for bolt M14, grade is 8. Expand nut category, and select 14399-3. In grade field, we select grade 8, then select 14.00 option in diameter field, and then select 14399-3 as the source. Then in the part name field type hexagon nut N14399-3 M148HR. Input 27.12 as outside nut diameter, and 12.1 as nut thickness, and then type 6 as number of corners. Hit Apply button to save these setups. Now back to bolt category to complete the rest. On the Parameter tab, select the diameter again, and input the grip length. Input 50 is the bolt length and input 10 is the delta of the bolt length. Switch to Set tab, select plus symbol below name of bolt assembly to add a washer. Select lower plus symbol to add a washer and a nut. Switch to recorded file and navigate to Bolt tab screenshot. Now back to Advanced Steel Management Tools. On the top right panel, input bolt head diameter, and bolt head thickness, and then put 6 as number of corners. Then input 50 as the bolt length, and type hexagon bolt N14399-3-14 extension 50-8.8 HR as part name. Now switch to Hole tab. Select All in Location field, round hole in the Type field, and then input 1 as tolerance. Hit Apply button to register all data and exist the advanced steel management tools. Now back to 3D model. Right-click on the bolts and select Advanced Joint Properties from Context menu. Navigate to Bolt tab, and in Bolt Grade field select Bolt Grade 10.9 and in Diameter field select 14.00 option. Now you can see, the bolts in 3D model will automatically update. There is something wrong with the bolt head, it's bigger than the others, that's because it's bolt grade 10.9. Now right-click on lower row bolts on first dialog and select Advanced Properties from Context menu. Then select 14.00 option for diameter. Do the same procedure for the bolt on additional connection and on the second dialog bracing. Now open the Advanced Steel Gusset Plate for 2 diagonals dialog box, then go to Standard tab. Select bolt category, then change bolt grade from 10.9 to 8.8. Do the same for additional connection bolts. And the lower bolts row of the first diagonal. Thank you for watching and see you soon.